Okay, good morning. The Abundant Alchemist here, helping you make as much money as possible by curating the day's news or holding your hand while we free fall. Ah. Okay. A lot of you may be seeing headlines, people, putting out clickbait, huge dump. Oh no, is altcoin season over? Look, we were due for a correction. Just yesterday, I was listening to the Rational Investors channel. He's an OG in this game, and it's funny. The entire sentiment was super bullish, euphoria. I was looking at the greed meter, and we were at extreme greed, 95%. So, this is just a healthy correction. If you look yesterday, this is what I was doing. I was just creating a channel here, just showing levels that we have of support here, levels of resistance. I was expecting, you could see I put a alert line here at the 2068 line level. And this is what was expected. Boom, breakthrough right here, right? Instead, said nope. Boom. Look, I never, I'm not going to say never, but hardly ever set a stop loss before I go to sleep at night. We're in the middle of a bull market. Things are only going up, right? Something told me before I go to sleep tonight, I am going to place a stop loss. I'm not going to go nuts, but just on Ethereum. Okay, so what happened? Instead of breaking through, busting through the $2,000 level, we turned around. Once we got to 1776, I sold just about an Ethereum, one whole coin. We're currently at 1761. Okay, it looks like it's holding. So, all right, I'm sorry, I'm half asleep still. You guys are probably asking, okay, what the hell do I do now? All right, look, if you went all in on any one altcoin, I'm sorry. I hope you don't sell. Hang on. If you have no cash reserves left, you're going to just have to hang on for this ride. Is altcoin season dead? No. A lot of coins are on sale now that I'm looking at because I set this stop loss and because I'm holding cash in my account. I've been super bullish. I've done what I've told myself time and time again not to do, which is have no cash reserves in my portfolio, no liquidity, and I've been going just all in on the coins that I believe in. Now, this makes me feel good about taking profits and redistributing them into coins that I believe in. So now I'm holding more coins than before. I did not continue to buy at the top. I was buying coins that were already going down. Do I wish I had not done that? Yeah. Do I regret it? Not really. Not really, because I know that it's going to go back up. And all I'm going to do now is take my grand or so and see what I like out there and start buying. For example, let's take a look. So, look, we just dipped past the 50-day smooth moving average. So we're going to approach it back here on the hourly chart. It looks like that's what it's doing. It's going back to this little dot. On the 4-hourly, we still have support here. So we could possibly, I mean, it looks indecisive on the 4-hour. We may be moving back into the 20 EMA moving average. But we have support here at the 1642. So we could still probably go a little more down to correct. On the day, you know, nobody wants to see this. Could happen. I don't think it will. I think we have good support. Look, if we fall below 1610, if we fall below 1600, I'll probably sell some of my Ethereum. Probably half of my Ethereum. Not financial advice. This is just what I'm thinking in my mind right now. I didn't pre-plan this. This is just me going off of the top. Will I change my mind? I don't know, maybe. But this is from what I'm looking at in the chart. Because this is one crucial level of support. This is another one. So if we fall below 1600, I may sell, see what happens, and then nibble. I don't believe it's gonna, look, I think if we fall below this, I think it's game over. I don't think that's gonna happen. What I actually think is going on right now, one, probably a healthy correction. Two, maybe manipulation. I follow BitBoy Crypto on YouTube, and he actually called it yesterday, saying that there's been some manipulation. He doesn't not understand why Ethereum has not busted past certain levels, and he's going to dig into it, and he's not going to stop until he finds out what's going on. And actually, you know, those are not empty words, because the beautiful thing about crypto is you could actually look into the transactions that are public and see what's going on. Take some work and time. He probably has the resources to do so. He has a team, right? So, okay, let's take a look at other coins you guys may be interested in. So this is just like my watch list, what I'm keeping an eye on. So YFI. Look, this is a coin that kind of measures the sentiment of altcoins in general. And look, this is what just happened. Okay, you could use this coin to kind of measure, and you know what? I was thinking of getting me some. So, yummy. I'll bite. I'll take nibbles at this. Am I going to do it right away right now? No, I want to kind of see what's going on. I may miss out on these low prices if it starts going back up. But I just kind of want to be certain that we will be reversing. Which, look at that. We're reversing on the hourly. So for the past 1, 2, 3, 4 hours, it's been crawling back into the 50 smooth moving average, 50-day. So, okay, I'm going to nibble here. I'm definitely going to nibble here. I'm going to try to cut this video short because I want to start doing what I'm going to do. Blah, blah, blah. So, check this out. Just want to share this before I get into all these other ones. I'm into uranium. Uranium's holding at 226, and these index technology Vanguard ETFs, all decent ETFs. Maybe you want to look into them. And of course, I am bullish on uranium, but let's get back to this. Okay, Bitcoin. Bitcoin, man. We thought you were gonna just go on a tear. Well, we're picking back up. We're here at the 50-day smooth moving average. So this looks nice. You know, this kind of on the hourly. Let's see what's up on the day. On the day, it looks like we may retrace a little more still. Let's see. We got 13 hours left in the day. Kind of see what's going on. A weekly sentiment. But look at this. This candle is still very bullish. We got a red dot here. So maybe wait a couple of hours before nibbling. Right? Because for the week, we still have 6 days. It's a new week. And I got a green dot here. Let's take a look here. Yeah, we got a beautiful candle here. As you can see, when this happens, it kind of shows more bullishness. Now, all right, this is the moment when I am greedy. Everybody's scared. Oh no, I'm going to lose money, and people are going to start selling. This is how they lose money and get wiped out. Do not sell. We're in the middle of a bull run. It's February, guys. We're just getting started. The bulls said, hold on, hold on, hold on. There's some nice grass right here. I'm going to just chill and just chew a little bit. Winnie the Pooh came out. And getting a taste of honey. Because he saw the bulls take a chill pill for a minute, take a grass break, smoke a little pot, feeling a little lazy, but not that lazy. Okay, so this is the time that us, as abundant alchemists, see the change going on and are going to place our hands into this nice, wet, malleable ceramic and start molding it into what we want. So I'm looking at Elrond, I'm looking at Algo, I'm looking at Tezos, I'm looking at Uni. We're going to go over those in a second, but I'm just going to go down the list here. Atom. Look, on the weekly, overextended. But we're in a bullish market. It's okay. You know, it's okay. A little indecisive on the daily, right? May retrace a little more. Red dot. May retrace. Maybe 17. Just looking at the chart. On the hourly. Hourly looking good. Support. Looking healthy. CRO. For anybody who took a look at my video unboxing my crypto.com card, I'm glad I sold some CRO for cash like 2 days ago. Bought myself and my fiance a bottle, 2 bottles of wine. using CRO that I get, excuse me, cash. I get paid CRO for certain expenses. She likes Spotify. So I told her I'll pay for it, put it on my card, and then they just pay me back in CRO. So she's getting free CRO. It evens out. And then when we go to Walmart, BJ's, I'll try to load up in time. If I don't take profits from my crypto.com account, I'll try to have, if I see that we're going to go shopping 2, 3 days, 4 days from now, I'll send money to it to load up the card. It takes longer to send money from my Wells Fargo than to just load up from crypto. But sometimes, we're in the middle of a bullish market. I don't want to sell, but you do have to take profits. This is why. A couple of days ago, what was the video that I was making, man? A couple of days ago, I was talking about, you know, it's not a mistake to take profits. Not only that, I was saying, okay, I believe that we're going to break 50, but now's not the time to get in if you're just getting into the party. Don't pay the bouncer at the door at 3:45 in the morning because you heard that there's hot chicks in the party. They already found their match. Guys already bought them drinks. They pretty much already know who they're going home with. Okay. You're paying $50 at the door and you're just gonna get bumped by a couple of dudes. Sweaty dudes. You're late to the party. Chill. There's gonna be another party next Saturday night. I heard it's gonna be good. Go to that one. Okay? Because you know what happened? A lot of people did this. They went into the party at 3:45 on a Sunday. They said, "Oh, we're going to 50. Okay. Here's my $50." Boom. And then this is what you did. I'm pretty sure. Oh no, it's dumping. It's over. That's it. The bull season is over. Why are we going down to 47? I'm selling right here. Oh, I'm so happy that I sold. I'm so happy that I sold. Am I going to get back in? No, it's going to probably go to 40 because that's what the news is saying. I don't know what the news is saying. And then here we are. You like my sound effects? Okay, Maker. I like Maker. I'm going to take a note. I may need some more of this in my portfolio. For the daily chart, looking like, so we're about to cross this blue line with this orange line. It looks like it's going to correct some more. So I'm going to just write to myself, wait on further correction. Now, all this is thanks to me not being a baller and having a lot of money in my bank account, but me setting a stop loss with one of my Ethereum that I have trading, because the rest I have in my BlockFi account accruing interest. That's my hodl bag, pretty much. Don't care what happens. Ethereum could go to $1 tomorrow, and I'm not selling. Maybe not $1, but okay. Maker on the 4-hourly chart has some support, so I don't see it retracing its an hour left till this 4-hour candle is done doing its thing, and it looks like it's going to have support. I'll probably wait for a green candle and then get in on some of this. Uniswap. Uniswap, where were we? We were at just about $23. All right, getting support here on the 4-hour. We're pretty much at the end of this craziness, right? You see it getting lighter. Now, how the hell did I even set this up, right? I set this up, one, how this whole thing evolved. I took Crypto Jeb's course. He uses moving averages. He uses the MACD, which is this orange and blue line. He does not use these. This is a spin-off of Market Cipher that BitBoy Crypto has been making a killing on, using these dots, letting him know what's going on. Because as you could see, this red dot right here, kind of, if you were here, this was 3 o'clock, February 12. This let you know if you were holding uni. Maybe if you're trading, sell. I don't have a lot of uni, but maybe now I will. You know, so I'll buy some now. But this is just an evolution of learning from a couple of people on YouTube, you know, and putting it all together. And it's working well for me. It looks like craziness, but it's working well for me. Now, these moving averages, I have to give thanks to what's his name? Fuse. I just bought his course. When I'm done doing this, after I buy my coins, I'm gonna go back to studying, because you gotta stay humble. You gotta understand you don't know everything. You don't know what you don't know. And even though Crypto Jeb taught me everything pretty much that I need to know to make money, and I could probably move forward without ever taking another class again and just reviewing his technical analysis course. Now look at this. Dash is doing nice. Dash is doing nice. The winners for the day, you know, Dash is among them. I'm glad did I sell, damn it? I think I sold some Dash, but I am holding some Dash. Okay, I have a little bit of Dash in my Coinbase. See, I sold yesterday. On the 13th. I sold a little Dash. You know, you can't win them all. You cannot win them all. This is not the game of winning only. So Dash, whoever's holding Dash, congratulations, you're up 12.28%. Theta, I may take some earnings on Theta, is up 4.98. Filecoin is up 3.54. Kusama, I just grabbed the bag of Kusama, up 3.47. So nice. Whoever's holding Sushi Swap is also doing okay at 2% up. So congratulations if you're holding Dash, man. Dash I am bullish on. Dash I am bullish on. Dash is doing good. Comp. You may want to nibble here. Now, I'm saying all this, but I don't know what's about to happen later on today, tomorrow. See, we hit these crucial lines of support, moving averages. I think this is the perfect time to buy some comp if you want some. Right, on the daily, we still have 13 hours to go, so anything could happen. We could probably continue dipping, continue this trend, and then whoop, go back up. but you can't time the exact bottom. You can't, unless you're like glued to this screen and doing nothing else. All right. Unless you were up yesterday at 1 a.m. while this was going on, because I think this started happening 3-4 hours ago. Unless you set a stop loss, how else would you have been prepared? Like, I'm so happy I set a stop loss. And for whoever's new, if you don't know what a stop loss is, all it pretty much is looking at Litecoin, right? So let's say it is February 14th. With my love, everything is beautiful. It's going up to 225. And I'm like, you know what? Let's pause the movie for a second. We were watching Coming to America actually yesterday. So let's pause the movie. Things are going good, but just in case, you know what I'm going to do? This is what the process of a stop loss is. You know what I'm going to do? Litecoin is at 232. January, I remember buying it at 167. Maybe I should take a little profit. But you know what? Actually, I think you could go higher. You know what I'm going to do? If it falls below $215, I'm going to place a sell order for 2 of my Litecoin. I have 4 Litecoin. I'll sell 2 and buy back on the dip. So what you do is you go into the settings, depending on what you have. If you have Binance.us, Binance, or Coinbase, look up a tutorial on YouTube on how to set a stop loss, and it'll explain it. Okay. And so I would have sold at 215. I wake up 5 in the morning, and I say, oh, I am glad I set a stop loss. I took 2-3 minutes of my day, and now I could get back in or wait, right? And since I bought here and I sold here, I still made a profit. And if I want, I could just take my profit and put it into any of these coins that are bleeding right now, because people are waking up, seeing what's happening, and they're probably selling. People who have no idea about this stuff, right? They just buy because they open up their Coinbase account, they see a price, they see it going up, and they say, oh, I should buy. And then when they see this, they say, oh, I should sell. And so they sell, they buy here, they sold here, and then the wolves, the alchemists, come here, yum, 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 yum. They miss out on this. We are enjoying the ride. But it's cyclical, like you see it. Look at this Litecoin chart. Up, 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 party, okay. Up, 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 party, okay. Up, 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 party, okay. But look at what the trend is. So if the past is any indication of what this is, okay, we may see 2 more days, 2-3 more days, February 17th, 18th, 19th, maybe going sideways or in this range here before we pick back up. Okay, so I'm writing to myself, wait 2-3 days before buying back into Litecoin. All right, and today we are on the 15th, Monday, 2021. So, Ethereum Classic, whoever held Ethereum Classic, congratulations to you. And also, I want to take a pause and a moment to sincerely congratulate all of you XRP holders. I don't even have them, I think, saved. Nope. Don't really want to know anything about XRP at the moment. But I'm going to look at the chart actually in a second. And I may buy some, depending on what's going on. But back to it. I digress. XRP, congratulations. I have friends that are very bullish on XRP, just like I was. Just like I was. They're more committed than I am. Da Vinci says, don't date them, don't hate them, just trade them. We're not getting married to these coins, guys. I'm not. I already have a fiance. This is what I'm doing. I'm buying here. I'm using them. I see the trend reversal. I see the red dot. Bye-bye. Don't need you anymore. Thank you. Call me when you're green again. That's it. If I'm trading, right? I don't have time right now like that. I don't have my own office. This is why I'm here up at 5 a.m. taking advantage of time and making this video. Because I would be making a whole lot more money if I could lock myself in a room for 8 hours a day at least. I know that crypto's open 24 hours and make trades. I'll be doing this all day. Sell, buy, sell, buy, outsell, buy, sell. I'll be doing that all day. But, you know, when you're making money, it's easier to make more money. We're on our way. Soon, you'll see, before the year's done, things will change a little more. Have my own office. Videos will get stepped up, edited so you don't hear me rambling between my points. QTUM. I don't even know what this is, but somebody probably said this is good to look at, so I want to see what's up with QTUM. QTUM, I don't even know if that's the name. I'm sorry if you're holding some and you know what the hell this is. So QTUM. Wait 1-2 days and buy. I'm gonna look into that. OXT, same deal. Bat. I just bought a bag of bat. It's cool. I think it could still do some damage, but yeah. It's gonna dip. I might have to go in and kind of sell at slight losses to buy in and make it up as it reverses. So look, man, I'm actually paying to make this content for you because I could be going in and kind of stop some bleeding that's happening. Whatever, man. I'm not gonna go nuts. And I want to give you guys some content. BNB, I did sell at like 133. It's a good time to buy back. Cardano, I know everybody was hyped. I think we're gonna break $1.30 pretty soon, but you know we're correcting. People are gonna panic. I sold at like 85. I sold some at 93. And I started nibbling at like 82 yesterday, like around here, 88. And now, I'm just going to pick up some more. If it gets like to 75, I'm filling up a bag. This is what it is. Everything is pretty much doing this. You see it. Link. Shout out to Benjamin Cohen. I love his channel, man. He had his wife yesterday. Beautiful couple. He was saying, not yesterday in yesterday's video, but he was just saying in general, not financial advice, but you cannot afford not to hold Link long term. Just hodl it because of how it hedges against Bitcoin. So it's a good coin to just hold for the long term. He believes it's heavily undervalued, just like a lot of these. I mean, Ethereum, this thing is going to go to 10K. You may think I sound crazy right now. I am a little bit, but I do believe I know what I'm talking about here. This thing is super undervalued. And I know everybody's going nuts about this right here. This has happened before. Look at this. This has happened again and again and again. It's going to keep on happening. It's happened before. And look at what's happened since then. And this is going to happen again. Silver, 25. It's like the story of silver. 25. 20 freaking 5, man. I don't know. I hear that there's manipulation in the silver markets. It's not as bad as gold, but it's like this thing should be already at like 50. I'm holding strong though. I have a nice bag of silver. Just waiting for shortage to really show its colors. All these industrial companies need silver. And this thing's going to shoot up. Not financial advice. Do what you want. Do your research. U.S. oil. Oil is interesting. If I wasn't so into crypto, this is one of the commodities I'd be looking at. My boy lost some money. He told his boss to buy, and then this happened. And then my boy was like, all right, I'm out. And then his boss was like, nah, I'm going to hold on. Look, it's getting better. And then this happened. And then he was like, crap. And then they're both like, I hate oil. I hate oil. I'm not even going to put olive oil on my salad anymore. And then, this is when you should have actually started buying or hold. If you're an investor, you hold. Because if you've been to the pump lately, you see that gas prices are getting a little more expensive again. So, I mean, I'm not hopping into oil anytime soon. I have other investments, but yeah. If I would have had money to invest in lumber last summer, I forgot his channel. I got the heads up from this dude saying commodities. He worked in construction, that lumber was going to go up, and it's doing it. All right, US dollar. Where are we? We're at 90. We haven't been at these levels since 2018. What was going on around 2018? Yeah. 2017, we were looking good. Let's see how the dollar was looking when everybody was putting. Remember the spinners or the spree wells? Like around 2000, 2002, when 50 was like on the scene, doing it big. This was the bling bling era right here. Oh, you rappers were doing good. What? The dollar at 118? Screw your euros. I wonder if euros were doing good at this time. But hell yeah. You know, I'm getting this advance money. I'm rich. I'm going to put these shiny things on my medium of transportation to show you just how good I'm doing. And it spins. And then look at this crapped out. All right, at this point, I'm just rambling. I got to get to work. Guys, I have merch. May not be in your size at the moment. I have coffee mugs that are in your size. Links below. Show love. Please like, share, and subscribe. If there's somebody that you know that's just getting into crypto and they have a lot of questions, tell them to ask in the comment section. Tell them to subscribe to this channel, and I will make content to answer your questions. I've done it before, and I'll continue doing it. All right, guys. Peace.